It's fine, it's trash anyways.
No, but. Mhm. Ow.
You took this one.
Which one?
That 10.
Oh. There's a bunch of those plastic things, huh?
Yeah, those are the ones I'm working on right now.
There's actually two more.
There's 2 more?
Yeah.
So be careful. There you go.
Oh,
How about this? I'm gonna do this whole suspension side over here, and you watch me.
okay.
And then you just redo it.
Okay.
So now.
For anyone wondering, my engine is still at the machine shop, so we're still waiting for it. And yeah, so we're doing this for now. Getting this all prepped and ready because I do want to wrap my car. So now I'm gonna do this. Ralph already did one side and expected me to remember what he said. So we're just gonna wing it here. We're gonna try our best.
Right there, hit it. Just like that.
Oh.
Perfect. The top, it doesn't come off on you.
This?
Yeah, as soon as you straight up now. You just gotta lift up and pry at the same time.
I don't envision what you're
Just keep going, just keep going.
Oh.
Just keep going all the way up. Pull, 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 pull up. Okay, more. Now, you got it. So now, grab your hammer and whack up there.
Whack where?
Right there.
Fucking. Shit's heavy.
Now you got the whole freaking suspension off. There.
Alright.
Good job.
That was hard. It was a great experience, so.